Imagine a future where death, as we know it, is no more. A future where the boundaries between life and death blur, and the concept of mortality is redefined. A future where our thoughts, memories, and even our personalities could be preserved long after our physical bodies cease to exist. This isn't just a dream, it's a vision that scientists and technologists are actively working towards. This isn't science fiction, it's a tantalizing possibility explored by scientists and philosophers alike, the preservation of human consciousness. Imagine the profound implications of such a breakthrough, not just for individuals, but for society as a whole. The idea hinges on a fascinating question. Can the essence of who we are be captured and transferred to a non-biological medium? Could our consciousness, the very core of our being, be digitized and stored? If our brains, the seat of our consciousness, are essentially biological computers, could we one day download their intricate workings? The implications are staggering. This would mean that our thoughts, memories, and experiences could be preserved indefinitely. Imagine preserving the minds of brilliant scientists, artists, and thinkers, allowing them to contribute their insights for centuries to come. Their knowledge and creativity could continue to inspire and innovate long after their physical bodies have perished. Or picture reuniting with loved ones long gone, their consciousnesses residing within a digital afterlife. This digital realm could offer a new form of existence, where memories and relationships are preserved and cherished. But before we delve into the possibilities, let's explore the science behind this mind-boggling concept. How close are we to achieving this vision, and what challenges lie ahead? How similar is the human brain to a computer, and can we truly replicate its complexities? The journey to understanding and potentially replicating the human mind is filled with both promise and profound questions. The human brain is often compared to a computer, and for good reason. Both are powerful processors of information, capable of storing vast amounts of data and executing complex tasks with remarkable efficiency. Both process information, store memories, and execute complex tasks. However, the similarities end there, as the brain's capabilities far surpass those of any man-made machine. But the brain, with its billions of interconnected neurons firing electrical and chemical signals, is infinitely more complex than any computer we've ever built. Each neuron can form thousands of connections, creating a vast network that is constantly changing and adapting. Think of it this way. A computer stores information in discrete bits, represented as zeros and ones. These bits are static and unchanging, confined to the rigid architecture of the machine. Our brains, however, store information in the intricate web of connections between neurons, strengthened or weakened by every experience, every thought, every emotion. This dynamic system allows for a level of flexibility and adaptability that computers simply cannot achieve. This incredible network allows us to learn, adapt, and create in ways no computer can match. We can acquire new skills, solve complex problems, and think creatively, all thanks to the brain's remarkable plasticity. We can understand nuances of language, recognize faces in an instant, and compose symphonies that stir the soul. These abilities are a testament to the brain's unparalleled processing power and its ability to integrate and interpret vast amounts of information. We feel empathy, experience love, and grapple with the meaning of existence. These deeply human experiences are rooted in the brain's complex network, which allows us to connect with others and understand our place in the world. Proponents of mind uploading envision a future where we can map every neuron and synapse in the brain, capturing the intricate web of connections that make up our thoughts and experiences. By creating a detailed blueprint of its structure and activity, they believe we can unlock the secrets of consciousness itself. This information, they argue, could then be transferred to a powerful computer, essentially creating a digital copy of your consciousness. Imagine a world where your mind exists in a digital realm, free from the limitations of the human body. Imagine your memories, personality quirks, and even your unique way of seeing the world, all encoded in lines of code. This digital version of you could retain all the nuances that make you, you. You could potentially interact with the world through a simulated environment or even a robotic body. You could explore new realities, communicate with others, and continue to grow and learn in ways we can only dream of today. But is a simple transfer of information enough to recreate consciousness? Can the essence of what it means to be human truly be captured in data? Or are there fundamental differences between a computer program, however complex, and the lived experience of being human? These questions challenge our understanding of identity, existence, and the very nature of consciousness itself. Section 4: Thinking Machines versus Feeling Humans. Where's the line? While computers excel at logic, mathematics, and information processing, they lack something uniquely human: consciousness. They can follow instructions, solve problems, and even learn from data, but they do not experience the world with the same richness and depth that we do. A computer program might be able to play chess at a grandmaster level, but it doesn't feel the thrill of victory or the agony of defeat. It can process language and generate text, but it doesn't understand the emotions behind the words or the subtle nuances of human communication. Section 5: The Chatbot Test. Mimicry or true understanding. Consider the example of advanced chatbots. These programs can hold conversations, answer questions, and even mimic human emotions in their responses. They can access vast stores of information and use sophisticated algorithms to generate human-like text. But are these chatbots truly conscious? Do they understand the meaning behind the words they use or the emotions they simulate? Most experts agree that they do not. They are incredibly sophisticated mimics, capable of simulating human-like conversation, but lacking the underlying consciousness that drives our thoughts and feelings. This distinction between mimicry and true understanding lies at the heart of the debate about preserving human consciousness. Section 6: Beyond Memories, Capturing the Essence of You. The challenge of preserving human consciousness goes beyond simply capturing memories and information. It requires replicating the subjective experience of being human, the unique way each of us perceives the world, feels emotions, and forms our own sense of self. It's about capturing the essence of you, your hopes, dreams, fears, and aspirations, not just the data points of your existence. This deeper level of consciousness, with its inherent subjectivity and ineffable qualities, remains a mystery that science has yet to unravel.